How to fix Huawei screen flickering. Screen flickering on Huawei devices can be caused by various factors, including software glitches, hardware issues, or incompatible apps. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. 1. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches causing the screen to flicker. 2. Check for software updates. Make sure your Huawei device's operating system and apps are up to date. Manufacturers often release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, which may address the flickering issue. 3. Adjust display settings. Go to your device's settings and adjust the display settings such as brightness, color temperature, and refresh rate. Sometimes tweaking these settings can mitigate screen flickering. 4. Boot into safe mode. Booting your device into safe mode can help identify if a third-party app is causing the screen flickering issue. If the flickering stops in safe mode, it indicates that a third-party app is the culprit. Uninstall recently installed or suspicious apps to see if the problem resolves. 5. Clear cache partition. Clearing the cache partition on your device can help resolve software-related issues. To do this, you typically need to boot your device into recovery mode. The exact method may vary depending on your Huawei device model. 6. Factory reset. If all else fails, you may need to perform a factory reset on your device. This will erase all data and settings, so make sure to back up your important data before proceeding. A factory reset can often resolve persistent software issues causing screen flickering. 7. Check for physical damage. Inspect your device's display for any signs of physical damage such as cracks or water damage. Physical damage can sometimes cause screen flickering and may require professional repair or replacement. 8. Contact Glasgow Repair Centre. If the problem persists even after trying the above steps, it's possible that there may be a hardware issue with your device's display. In this case, it's best to contact Glasgow Repair Centre for further assistance. Thank you for watching.